Hey everyone, welcome back the Tech Setup YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to tell you how can you download and install the Windows 10 in your USB flash drive. If you find this video helpful, please like this video. It will appreciate me to make such videos like that. So first of all, you must have a USB flash drive and its storage should be minimum 8 gigabytes, and be careful, it should be empty. You don't have your important data in that because it's going to be erase all the data, and we have to format first of all that USB flash drive. And first of all, we insert our USB flash drive into the laptop or computer. So I am going to insert my USB flash drive into my laptop, and you can see here is my USB flash drive and its memory is a 16 GB, minimum 8 GB, and in my case it's in 16 GB. So first of all, I'll format it so that there would be no error while installing the window. So I'll just quick format, and you can check this quick format. I'll go with a quick format and hit the start, and it will say formatting will erase all data. So I'll good to go with the OK. It will erase my all the data and format. There is a good practice to format first your USB flash drive, and I have done. Okay, so my USB flash drive is now empty, so I'm going to download and install my Windows 10 in that USB flash drive. You can install using this USB flash drive to any laptop or other computer. So I'm go to the browser and type there Windows 10 download and hit the enter, and here is a Microsoft official website. You just have to click this website, and if you want to upgrade your existing window, you can update now. But in this video, we are going to install a new window in a USB flash drive. So we will create a new window media file. So we will hit just download now, and it will downloading window for me. So I'll save it, and you can see it's just 18.6 MB. As it download, I'll just simply click this, or you can locate this file. So this will show me do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. I will just simply yes, and it will going to install for me. So it will say getting a few things ready. This will take some time. It will take 2 minutes. So after that, there will be a license terms and condition. You can read that. So I simply scroll down and accept this license, and again it's getting a few things ready, and this will take every step 2 to 5 minutes. It's depend on your laptop or computer specification. So next step, it will show me what do you want to do: upgrade this PC or create installation media, USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file for another PC. We are going to go with a create installation media USB flash drive for another PC because we are going to install Windows in a USB flash drive. So we go with the second option and hit the next button. So here is select language, architecture and edition. The default options are good to go, but if you want to change your architecture, like if you have a 32-bit operating system, you can change over there, and if you have a 64-bit, you can good to go with that. And if you want to change the language of your Windows, you can change over there, and I am good to go with the English and United States. So I use the recommended options for the PC and hit the next. So I am go with the USB flash drive, and it need to be at least 8 gigabytes, and I have told you in the beginning of the video. So we are good to go with the USB flash drive and hit the next. And you can see here is the removable drives. I just show you that we have a E. There we go. You can check over there what is the name of your USB flash drive, and it's a E drive. You can see over there. So here we go. If you don't plug in your USB flash drive, it won't be shown over there. So I'm go with the next option. This will take some time, so getting a few things for me and downloading Windows 10 in my USB flash drive. When all the process will be completed, it will show you your USB flash drive is ready, and just hit the finish button and it's gonna be set up cleaning up before it closes. So it will take a few minutes, so you can see it will disappear automatically. And go ahead back to your USB flash drive, and here you can see we have a boot window booted, and you can take place to anywhere to install a window to another computer or laptop. Here you can see I have initially 14.8 gigabytes free space, and now it's showing 10.2 gigabytes. That's mean it used 14.8 or around about 4 gigabytes memory of my flash drive. And you can use this USB as a bootable USB to install the Windows on this system or to any other system. So, and that's it, we have successfully downloaded and installed Windows setup on a USB flash drive. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out more tech guides. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment below. I'll be happy to help and appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and as always, we are good to go.